thought, okay, there's going to be problems in the house. I want this to be a house so I can pay the rent.